Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please give us a like and subscribe. Why is my car shaking when braking? Causes and solutions. Ever felt your car or steering wheel shake when you hit the brakes? It's not just annoying, it's a sign something's wrong. Your braking system is critical for safety and performance. When parts wear out or fail, you need to act fast. Learn why this shaking happens and what you can do to fix it. Don't let a small issue turn into a big problem. It's time to understand the nuts and bolts of your car's braking system so you can drive with confidence. From worn-out brake pads to warped rotors, get ready to uncover the reasons behind that unsettling vibration. Common causes of steering wheel or car shaking when braking. Warped brake rotors. Warped brake rotors leading to vibrations. When brake rotors become warped, it can result in pulsating vibrations felt in the steering wheel or even throughout the entire vehicle when braking. This issue arises due to uneven surfaces on the rotors, disrupting the smooth contact with the brake pads. The consequences of warped brake rotors include decreased braking efficiency, extended braking distances, and potential safety hazards due to compromised braking performance. Uneven brake pad wear. Impact of uneven brake pad wear. Uneven wear on brake pads can cause the steering wheel or the car to shake during braking. This unevenness can lead to inconsistent contact between the brake pads and rotors, resulting in juddering sensations. Not only does this affect the comfort of the ride, but it can also diminish the overall effectiveness of the braking system, potentially leading to unsafe driving conditions. Suspension problems, suspension issues and vibrations. Suspension problems, such as worn-out shocks or struts, can contribute to steering wheel or car vibrations when braking. The worn components fail to absorb the impact of braking forces adequately, causing the vehicle to jerk or shake. Beyond the discomfort experienced by the driver and passengers, compromised suspension can affect the vehicle's stability, handling, and overall road safety. Tire issues. Impact of tire problems on braking. Issues with tires, such as imbalance or damage, can result in shaking sensations when braking. Out-of-balance tires can cause the steering wheel to wobble, while tire damage can create uneven contact with the road surface, leading to vibrations. These tire-related problems not only affect the braking experience but also jeopardize the stability and control of the vehicle, posing risks to driver safety. Incorporating these sections into your article can help readers understand the various common causes of steering wheel or car shaking when braking and the implications of these issues on vehicle performance and safety. Symptoms of shaking when braking. Signs and symptoms of shaking when braking can manifest in various ways, alerting drivers to potential issues within their vehicle's braking system. It's crucial to recognize these indicators early on to address any underlying problems promptly. Steering wheel vibrations. When experiencing steering wheel vibrations during braking, the intensity and frequency can serve as telltale signs of the underlying cause. Minor vibrations could indicate issues with the brake rotors, such as warping or uneven wear. In contrast, severe vibrations may suggest more critical problems like worn suspension components or loose steering parts. Paying attention to the nuances of these vibrations can offer valuable insights into the necessary repairs or replacements needed to restore smooth braking performance. Vehicle shuddering. The sensation of the entire vehicle shuddering while braking can be alarming for drivers and often points to specific issues within the braking system. This phenomenon can occur due to brake pad deterioration, causing uneven friction and pulsation. Additionally, warped brake drums or excessive wear on brake components can lead to pronounced shuddering during braking maneuvers. Understanding the distinct feel of vehicle shuddering can help pinpoint the source of the problem and guide the appropriate maintenance actions to ensure safe and efficient braking operation. Importance of prompt inspection and repair. Imagine driving down the road, and suddenly your car's steering wheel starts shaking when you hit the brakes. It can be a nerve-wracking experience, and in that moment, prompt inspection and repair become crucial. Let's delve into why immediate action is essential in such situations. Ensuring safety on the road. When your steering wheel or car shakes during braking, it's a clear signal that something isn't right. Ignoring these warning signs can lead to more significant problems, compromising your safety and that of others on the road. Prompt inspection and repair play a vital role in ensuring your vehicle remains in optimal condition, minimizing the risk of accidents. Preventing further damage. Addressing issues early on can prevent minor problems from escalating into major repairs. By promptly inspecting and repairing any abnormalities in your braking system, you can save yourself from costly repairs down the line. Taking quick action can help maintain the overall health of your vehicle and extend its lifespan. Peace of mind. Knowing that your car is in top-notch condition offers peace of mind while driving. Prompt inspection and repair not only keep you safe on the road but also alleviate any worries or concerns you may have about your vehicle's performance. Regular maintenance and immediate attention to issues contribute to a stress-free driving experience. Upholding resale value. Regular maintenance, including prompt inspection and repair when issues arise, can uphold the resale value of your vehicle. Potential buyers are more likely to invest in a car that has been well maintained and had timely repairs. By staying on top of inspections and addressing problems promptly, you can retain the value of your vehicle over time. The importance of prompt inspection and repair when experiencing steering wheel or car shakes during braking cannot be overstated. Prioritizing safety, preventing further damage, ensuring peace of mind, and upholding resale value are compelling reasons to take immediate action. By being proactive and addressing issues promptly, you not only safeguard yourself and others on the road but also maintain the longevity and value of your vehicle. Professional inspection and maintenance. Seeking professional expertise for inspecting and maintaining your car's braking system is crucial in addressing any issues that may lead to steering wheel or car shaking during braking. Qualified mechanic evaluation. Qualified mechanics possess the knowledge and experience necessary to accurately diagnose the root cause of the shaking during braking. Their expertise enables them to pinpoint specific issues within the braking system and carry out precise repairs to restore its integrity. By entrusting your car to a qualified mechanic, you can have confidence in the quality of the inspection and maintenance procedures performed. Regular brake system checks. Regular checks of your brake system are essential to identifying and resolving potential issues before they escalate to the point of causing steering wheel or car shaking during braking. Proactive maintenance helps to ensure that your brakes are operating efficiently and effectively, keeping you safe on the road. By staying ahead of any developing problems through routine inspections, you can prevent more significant issues from arising and maintain optimal braking performance. When it comes to the safety and performance of your vehicle, investing in professional inspection and maintenance services is a decision that can ultimately save you time, money, and potentially prevent dangerous situations on the road. Trusting the expertise of qualified mechanics and remaining diligent with regular brake system checks are key steps in maintaining the integrity of your car's braking system and ensuring a smooth driving experience. After delving into the inspection process for steering wheel or car shakes during braking, it becomes clear that immediate attention to these issues is crucial for the safety and performance of your vehicle. Ignoring these warning signs could lead to more severe problems down the road, impacting not only your safety but also your wallet. By being proactive and addressing these issues promptly, you can ensure a smoother and safer driving experience for yourself and others on the road. Remember, regular maintenance and prompt action are pivotal in keeping your vehicle in top condition. So, if you notice any unusual shaking or vibrating when braking, don't hesitate to seek professional assistance to address the root cause of the problem. Your safety and the longevity of your vehicle are worth the investment of time and resources. Keep your driving experience seamless by addressing issues promptly and staying ahead of potential problems that could arise. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.